अस्सलामुअलैकुम आदाब सत श्री अकाल मैं हूँ राजा आदम वेलकम बैक टू एडम्स एप्पल सीजन 5 एपिसोड 1 सो ऑल दिस टाइम आप लोग बोलते थे कहाँ है फाइनली वी आर हियर इट हैज बीन अ लॉन्ग जर्नी एडम्स एप्पल टॉक शो से एक पूरी कंपनी बनी जहाँ पे मैं सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट एंड पीआर होता है प्लस एक ई कॉमर्स ऐप है जो अवेलेबल है ऑन बोथ एंड्रॉइड एंड iOS एज वेल एंड नाउ सीजन 5 विथ ऑल द बिग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ऑफ कश्मीर जहां हम बात करेंगे बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज की एंटरटेनमेंट वाला फैक्टर तो रहेगा साथ ही साथ उसमें हम वैल्यू ऐड करने वाले हैं सो वंस अगेन वेलकम टू एडम्स एप्पल सीजन 5 विद दिस ब्यूटीफुल सेट डिजाइंड बाय इम्को इंडस्ट्रीज हमारे फैशन पार्टनर फैशन फिएस्टा एडवर्टीजमेंट एंड मार्केटिंग बाय रैम्पेज एंड वॉलेट एडवर्टाइजर्स एंड साथ ही दिस ब्यूटीफुल क्राफ्टेड आइटम्स बाय इलाही आईटी सॉल्यूशंस गेस्ट नीड्स नो इंट्रोडक्शन a person started from book industry, shifted a slow momentum towards podcast and became a big name in India, not only in Kashmir. जिसकी रील्स मिलियन से नीचे तो जाती नहीं कभी. Needs no introduction. Fahim Bath is here. Thank you so much for the time and thank you so much for being here.
थैंक्स भाई।
Okay, मुझे नहीं लगता that हमको इंट्रोडक्शन कराने की जरूरत है. People know you, they follow you like crazy on Instagram and social media. Now everyone knows that आप एक author रहे. Then you started as an book publishing house. So my question, the first question to start with is that जो book industry in Kashmir है, how big is it?
नॉट वेरी श्योर, इट्स अ क्लटर्ड क्वेश्चन राइट, बट ठीक है यार। आई मीन इट्स डोमिनेटेड बाय अ लॉट एजुकेशनल बुक्स। In that context, look, you cannot really come up with a number as far as the novels are concerned, because whatever is getting to be sold or bought by people, it's usually all these big e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Flipkart and others, right? So at the moment, I don't think anybody has a definite answer to that, but overall, if we look into the whole educational spectrum as well, should be above 300-400 crores easy.
300 400 years. And
Yeah.
उसमें से कितना contribute करते हैं हम locals?
I'm not very sure why. I mean, in the educational context, a lot. I mean, in Kashmir, obviously, the locals do the 300-400 crores. In India, it's a $1 billion industry, a few $1 billion industry.
Okay. So सबसे dominating part इसमें education ही रहता है?
In Kashmir, yes.
Okay. Outside it's मुझे लगता है
It's mixture. People, we started another company called Lipo Books, right?
Right.
And that was based out of Bombay. So Bombay is very dominant as far as books are concerned. People do buy books there. So it's a good time. मतलब there they have a good time selling fictional books, non-fictional and other.
apart from being an चलो author साइड में रखते हैं या publishing house साइड में रखते हैं, how important as a person it's in life to read books या be connected with the books?
But it's a lot. I must tell you that when I started writing a book, like myself, I used to read a lot. तब लेकिन थोड़ी ज़िंदगी में ना ठहराव सा था। अभी इतनी भाग-दौड़ है ना ज़िंदगी में कि मतलब it's a bit hard. Honestly, it's a bit hard. But yeah, it is definitely good to read a book.
Okay, so with this Baghdor, because it's that आप पॉडकास्ट में भी है एंड यू आर रनिंग अ वेरी बिग पॉडकास्ट इन कश्मीर राइट नाउ, तो क्या वो भागदौड़ उसकी वजह से स्टार्ट हुई या ऑलरेडी थी?
Why I dropped out of college when I was 17 years old, right? You know that.
Yeah.
And then I published my book when I was 18. It became a best-selling author. और 6 महीने बाद ही I started Kashmir's first self-publishing house, right? And all that was so difficult and मतलब moving so fast कि बचपन छूट गया, बस चीज़ें कुछ-कुछ मिल गई।
सो टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग हाउस जो तुमने स्टार्ट किया, तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ओल्ड ट्रेडिशनल पब्लिशिंग हाउस या अभी जो सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग हाउस अभी आ रहे हैं?
There's a major difference. Traditional publishing houses are those जहाँ पे you go to the publisher, you show them the samples, there's a few chapters, 2 or 3 chapters. If they like it, they would. It's a long process. मतलब 6 महीने लगते हैं to get it approved and all. If it's a big publishing house like Penguin and Harper and others. So fair, what you do is you can sort of get they'll pay you some bucks, like few lakh rupees to get
Okay.
your book published, and you get a bit of a royalty as well. But जो भी massively फिर किताब बिकेगी ना book stores पे या बाकी जगहों पे, they own it. They own it. And in self publishing, you pay us to publish your book, and then whatever is the royalty goes to us. So I have published your father's book. You
या
should know that.
एग्जैक्टली यस. सो उसमें पूरा जो ये है इट्स विद ऑथर ओनली, जो चाहे राइट्स हो या चाहे इसको होल्ड्स हो तो वो ऑथर के पास ही रहते
In self publishing,
हैं. या
yeah, it is.
ओके. Now, going to this podcast thing, you're on the podcast and you yourself run a very big podcast right now. So, how did it came in your mind कि भाई मुझे थोड़ा सा shift करना पड़ेगा?
I think you know this journey by when I was trying to launch Liper, I was reaching out to क्योंकि my whole goal was कि I don't want to launch it in Kashmir, right?
Yeah.
तो that's why I based the whole company out of Mumbai. तो मेरा यही goal था कि we want to promote it, right? और फिर when I started reaching out to the real influencers, right, the outsiders, it was a lot of money. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा मांग रहे थे वो. And then we thought कि ठीक है यार, we'll try to do it ourselves. And then I did one podcast that blew up. Then I did lines of podcasts and they all blew up. Right? So then I shifted to Mumbai. I changed the whole direction to Mumbai. Then I started calling on to big storytellers. I invested a lot of money.
दैट वाज़ माय पॉइंट। मैं इसी पे आने वाला था दैट जो लोगों को लगता है इसने रील डाल दी वो वायरल हो गई। सो हाँ, लेट्स ब्रेक दैट थिंग राइट नाउ कि भाई इसमें कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट हुआ, क्या हुआ, कैसे हो?
Look, we have produced only 2 shows, right? And up until now, matlab 22 show karna it was a task, right? It was a pain in the ass, actual. Right? It's so much of like, initially though nobody wanted to do a podcast with us. They were big, right? Well, why would they do a podcast with us?
True.
They wanted to get paid. So it was a handsome amount. I had to take care of their travels. I had to take care of their stay, their managers, some of the people. I don't want to talk about it. But yeah, it was a task, by so like it's a lot of money.
Now, since a lot of money has been invested and now you are a name in yourself, so how much do you charge for being in a podcast?
It's not nothing. I'm overbooked. I say to everyone. But I would not like to do podcasters anymore. In a sense of like, I don't take paid podcasts as much because it gets too much.
And then you
I have a large team right now. You know that. I have a very large team.
पैसे में प्रॉब्लम ये आती है, then you need to compromise somewhere on the content.
No, okay, I'll tell you this. So when you get the kind of reach that I do, matlab you have seen it. You did one reel with me and it blew up, right? तो मतलब क्या होता है ना भाई कि मतलब when brands reach out to me, like I did one recent with Flipkart or whatever that is, they would melt it to your way क्योंकि उनको पता है कि यार इसको पता है इस craft. So let's say we did a podcast, right, paid podcast or whatever. So those people would know that he knows what to say that will go viral. So they'll listen to you. So there's no compromise. It's just that I'm not at that stage right now where I want to do a lot of paid podcasts. I'm just at the stage where I want a bit of a piece.
So have you ever done any podcast just for money? क्या?
Yes, definitely.
And then बाद में पछताया हो?
No.
अभी तक कोई नहीं पछताया। और ऑल द पॉडकास्ट क्या कोई पछता है कि ये मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था, ये वाला क्यों कर दिया? नॉट नाम नहीं लेंगे, जस्ट दैट हाँ।
I did and I did not post it.
ओह यू डिडंट पोस्ट इट।
No, I didn't post it.
मतलब यू कैन गेट गुड ऑडियंस टू द पीपल जो फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे नए यूथ है, बिकॉज अभी हम एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बात कर रहे हैं, हमारा टारगेट ये जो अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ है, जो यूथ आउट देयर हु वांट्स टू डू समथिंग इन दिस फील्ड। सो व्हाट्स दैट स्टार्ट टू एंड जर्नी अगर बीइंग एन ऑथर या इफ यू वांट टू पब्लिश अ बुक और एटलीस्ट गेट इनटू रीडिंग, तो फ्रॉम यू एंड योर एक्सपीरियंस क्या वो चीज़ें फॉलो करनी चाहिए एक ऑथर को स्टार्ट टू एंड टू राइट एन बुक एंड कंपाइल इट एंड पब्लिश इट?
To an author,
या
it's a very tough journey.
यस एग्जैक्टली।
I would suggest not to become an author. First become rich, then become an author.
तो तुम तो अपने ही इस पे लात मार रहे हो।
Self-publish.
Yeah.
No, that works. The people that we work with have the reality.
हाँ, no, अब सिंस जो हमारे पास यूथ है एंड हर किसी का शौक है एंड विलेट्स कि भाई हाँ करना चाहिए फॉलो, तो व्हाट इज दैट मिनिमम या मैक्सिमम स्टेक उनको दिमाग में रखना कि भाई ये चीजें तो कम से कम होनी चाहिए।
Look, I'll tell you, I'll answer this question, in fact, a bit better. Like the people who really are into writing books and reading it, they're not doing it for the sake of money. They actually want to hold the book that they have. Like, look, by now we publish 128 books, right? If you remember recently, I was working with that New Zealand kiosk,
Yeah.
right? It was a crazy experience altogether. We were doing those cards and I was looking for all the publishers, like those printing presses, like who would figure it out, right? So, us hisab se na, like I have worked with so many interesting people. And at the moment we're at that stage where we don't want to take a lot of, like I cut my staff short. Why? Because we're like, nahi, hame already पीछे से बहुत है. And in the past, I have made bunch of mistakes by publishing the books that I regretted. Why did I do it? But this is Kashmir. At the end of the day, you have to keep the doors open. So if I have to keep the doors open, I have to sort of publish the books that even I don't want to publish, just because we need to make some money and pay the rents, pay the staff, and whatever.
So have you published books
And what?
which you regretted later?
Oh, many of them.
Okay, now moving on to the next section, जो हमने इसमें start किया है for the audience and for the guests. So it's just the rate and get it for free. ठीक है?
I hope it's that bottle because I know the rate.
No, it's not. So welcome to the section. It's since this is the book, and actually before starting this thing, this was a book जिस पे मैंने 2 साल काम किया, क्लास में my father actually, and मैं बहुत घुमा के कहाँ publish करूँ, and finally Lipa did it. So if you guess the right rate of this is, you have published it. Let me see क्या आपको याद है, and if you get it free from our app. बताइए.
I have them in my office.
Yeah, exactly. Now, let me see if you remember the rate.
$4.99.
Damn, it's like it. And it has been a year. And you still,
More than a year, right?
So,
It's been 2 years.
for the audience, आप लोगों के स्क्रीन पे भी एक प्रोडक्ट है. If you can guess the rate of this product, you get it free along with the pen box जो हम हर हफ्ते देते हैं to the winners जो maximum engagement हमारे पास दिखाते हैं in the comment section on Facebook, YouTube और Instagram. So moving on to the next section real quick. हमारे पास है आव आया नाव आया. It's there for you. Be quick and don't think much. ठीक है?
Okay.
Have you ever published something you regret?
I
Yeah,
just
yeah,
told.
yes, I actually it. Okay. Drive with someone for a book review.
Not bribed, but they charge money, so yes.
Okay. Have you ever dreamed about your book being a bestseller?
My book was a bestseller.
उससे पहले तो of course dream किया होगा.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Imagine any author as a superhero.
No.
Okay. Did a podcast just for money. Yes. Would you publish a book written by your pet?
No.
Okay. Do aliens read books?
Yes, of course. 100%.
Nice. Ever read a roadside quote on your podcast and it went viral?
I regretted it. So I did one post of I wrote I was in the set and मैंने phone खोला. There was a line of Ghalib. I don't want to say it. So I said it. I posted it alone. It was supposed to go with Nayab. This is a big time story. Yeah, this 1.4 million followers. It would have gone viral. I thought I'll post it alone. ठीक है? It went to 5.6 million. And my mother got sick bit, तो मैंने phone नहीं चलाया. ठीक है? And few days later, like I was brutally trolled. Brutal, because it was not said by Gala, and people got offended.
ऐसा लग रहा है John Area and Ghalib said तो
Yeah, but
उन्होंने बोला भी नहीं होता है.
worst decision of my life.
Okay. Ever imagined a book by its cover and then regretted?
No, like to do.
Okay. Ever argued with someone on your podcast?
नहीं भाई.
हाँ, कभी किसी गेस्ट के साथ लड़ाई हुई because he promoted a rival podcast at the same time?
No,
I will not care because I am big.
no, see, no, never.
Do you hate negative comments?
No, I don't get them. I don't get.
You just said you were brutally trolled for something.
That was the mistake, but as such तो नहीं मिलती.
Okay. So, what's that one thing for these negative comments you want to share with the upcoming influencers or social media persons who come on social media?
But they see. I'll tell you this now. If you check my Instagrams, I probably don't have Instagram on my phone right now. It's been few days since I'm off from it, and like I take my off times from it because it really gets to your head sometimes. It used to get to, initially I loved it, but now it's I posted one reel like 15 days ago. Now it's irritating. So like I keep away from it. So people go through. It's to each their own. They go through their journeys.
So give them that space कि वो कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, because if you allow their positive comments, we need to allow their negative comments as well.
It doesn't matter. People forget you anyway.
So it doesn't matter. With this beautiful quote, let's end the series इस episode in here. लेकिन आप सब लोग be connected, keep loving, keep sharing, keep subscribing, and at the same time, keep winning fan boxes. Thank you so much for being in here. Thank you so much for the time, and thank you all of you beautiful people for watching this series. Thank you so much.